2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, trip computer, security system, CD player, brake assist, overhead console, remote keyless entry, power moonroof. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.